Nana mami enchia metiefo nyina ene juada na ensem no de over the weekend dodo na ena etumi ababe piem ntini yenche na kakra na last week mu honum baby me de ba betu dwa se asamentime ho ase kakra bi akoso ewo artist of the year Stone Boy wone Abu Sadiq wo mo entem na em se Abu echiremu a ne yere enam se
it was before the event
TGM no
yes.
na ase or patch say ne yere ena ase Stone Boy ne na nka say ye bi say ase o praise obi ananka say wono ne hu nsensem basa bi ni akwa to dwa ababe piem ene say no make us say de ade a Accra High Court wode nkrata lawsuit
why Stone Boy ayo Baba Sadiq na esi Stone Boy
onu so akwa ne de
Stone
Boy de nkrata
every court
de ababa be kire say no bo abrantie Sadiq no wanka se baabi ye wagu ne hu fin enti no wasiu no
ena Sadiq so e response
e akọ na answer na response ne be kọ ne nsem a e wo shoot no emu enie ni a wo kire ne se wakeka kan nsem bi enwu hia e wo X Twitter ho enti no nsem no court de aba so one deleting fan free ho na no fi ho no ma ne hu fin na waguo no 3 million Ghana cedis
court ya bodika Baba Sadiq se won tuaka
sa ena court adiaba
na Baba Sadiq so tuana
baba de onyankan ne mom no development asa ba beto achie ne say Ghana police so
maybe when I say Stone Boy suit no de wom ne say court ntie na nka wo monica
say no that's what has been presented.
That's the suit at the moment. Yes, that's a court in international.
All right, say ne de me mo twan me say me de man betum an okay enti related development no ade Ghana police so no so mo invite Stone Boy because e ba ne sa na branch no so ho ka kire police for say branch no so wa threaten me hearing in a way bi
no Baba Sadiq here
ai set time or more campaigning no any ade no kasa e bi o one ne area say me akoso o montem sheda nko yi mfama no enti na ade police for so invite Stone Boy
na artist of the year kuru ya
artist of the year ya one fama me yo one fa there
na Stone Boy artist of the year wade ya mo ya say no ani hwe
obi so ye deputy artist of the year
when you bring mo
I just say me
when you was street so say yes obi street artist of the year and obi artist of the year
and what who say over the weekend ya na event be say kwaso e wole go on and no shatter ba bontin aba be complaining very bitterly
said they are saying
na ni yan say na say nko mo mienu nem say omo kwakwa perform e asensi biem ama yes order from above ni akwakoba ne say ya Shatawale ni kwan so onu oba bi so oba ho dia the whole event is going to be cancelled nti na sementime ho asementime ha say wa na shatter atwe cameras in anim afre ne manager ebisan say asem no send what say no what is happening abrante na cheche na say your mo kwa ka che nya ne say order from above just say event na wo mo no campus say shatter baba bi dia any event no bi any ho no
say betime a creative fight there you need to
to create the fight I don't know say be big
cause tension wo more tension
but
shatter to we ogusu huru Stone Boy video bi obeye bia no otogusu it can be agro ne coincidence bi agro but say ne coincidence
I don't know why people take shatter serious
I don't know taking it serious
but
Shatter has a lot of fan base but Shatter should also recognize that he doesn't own the music industry. Stone Boy is Stone Boy. No, me catch on say one I didn't use it, but Stone Boy is Stone Boy. He decides show a person oko, and then young person beko. It is a show be corner so one kwa. Shatter should not
stop Stone Boy. Shatter no most.
What are you talking about?
You have a point there. You have a point there. And honor them no ya say why Shatter and not Stone Boy. Yes. I understand, but I don't know. Maybe the organizers had a preference
because event
maybe the organizers had a preference. Say, and your Uber stop back there, so best stop Stone Boy there, stop Shatter. We don't know, but I understand and I agree with you. Say, why not Stone Boy and Shatter? But currently, Stonebwoy is the artist of the year. And
he is a reigning champion. Exactly.
You can't stop him from the other who was not.
And I mean, they are creating unnecessary tension. Unnecessary tension. Stonebwoy and Shatawale. They are creating unnecessary tension.
But honestly, Stonebwoy hasn't been creating much.
Shatawale has been doing that.
Let's speak the truth.
What I have noticed that he has a
who said Stonebwoy is disabled?
Yes, he is.
No, he is. Whichever way, but almost every day, we are now used to that as a point of ridicule. I mean, it is so embarrassing. And I said, just say, no, I have grown, but it's an expensive joke. It is an expensive joke, but be a how no, and you said that it's an expensive joke. There are a lot of fan base out there, a lot of people out there who are disabled. Oh yes, now we'll I mean, what is that?
It doesn't help. I mean, if you want to fight on the music level.
So my question still is, almost stop Shatawale from coming to perform. Is it that Stonebwoy, he is the reigning champion now?
It's possible, yeah, because at the moment, they can't.
Who
you see Telecel Ghana Music Awards there. Now you can't be as see our young to make a Stonebwoy. That's what the data is saying.
Yes,
you can take it or leave it. I mean.
Okay, na nanti anu susu ya debe kwa koguna na mfuma ni kwa chema alata krom. Mami bi owo ho no ni din de Ramota. Uni manti Ramota. Oh nana kwa ame mfa Ramota microphone enimu no. Ramota.
Nya de okwa said you know.
Okwa said na bisa said
fall into coma. Penimu say.
Na mama nya penimu kra na odi.
Penimu say odi ye say.
Eh,
de be mama ka penimu say ne say semeti hey. De medre menya me ma abrewa. Ba manyine do level bi a. Minima de kontia me kwa akoye meto ene mefu. And then yes, people do body shaming and they do it to me too as well. Who be social media or maybe what time but you see, do level be you don't what do you want? Who did they? Who paid they? I don't know but be a top pressure ma what to way ye was a me kwa surgery. I'm all falling into coma.
Video sabah.
What's your problem?
It's just
who did they?
They're just trying to chase clouds. Onye. Sister them kasa no more worry. Onua. Sister no. This is what to comment.
Oh, nyame abode. I mean that is what she can't change who she is.
No, she's actually pretty in her own way.
No, na ko say ni da ede.
Neto ko shisha no tono. We say no fund ya kakra twetwa ho. Oh, enti no
to.
Enti anti Ramota kwa
fall
into mami anim ma ya de so pa na baby okokoye zazubu area mo okra oh Nigeria oh mrefi some very area bi
e Nigeria ho usu ni skaso yada
okoya mo bi de ye wo say wo han wani kra eti ni akwa sie no anti Ramota ese mu hu no afu mo mpa ye mfama ne pa ya de
o peto abo collapse okokoma
enti eno na akwa bo anso so weekend you were trending trending for both good reasons
menu aba delay na interview no right na delay dey
yeah ana no wa trending
oh some dia mo party no
waka akwa boy smart o
dia mo party no na da wa no nti wanya na yi
and only my baby Okasaya, I think say he tried to clarify girl who said video no women
yes
women and let you know baby ana omo say who said video be or share or the ni be ne kid sister and I'm say akonwa na oba betina so no now I think the ninu ano kokotina so be something like that. Nti no say woni obi if that day I remember say it could be just a yibi keke but no say social media no nti ni
anko ye nya say ntwaye the truth is that how a bar bonte was social media it didn't look good it did not on your wedding day even if it's your sister what I say because you are marrying a celebrity somebody who is known you are nobody unyo bia in fact me kan unyo bia me say I mean unyo bia because you are not known and to worry celebrating the oye bia na so you should be mindful because there were a lot of people doesn't matter watch him
near sister ni ye bia anything
Yate. So na te hu na nya fe go be nne.
But na simple Mr. O. Baby I would see sisi e wo. Obi betumi aba. Obi a wotie wa bonten enim what will happen or what is happening in the studio. But behind the scene also provoke you. Or provoke you to the court. Say na no kwakuma no beka e say ne word na say. No be betwe na tade. No didi na tem.
Or san cancel for
yeah, or cancel. Yes, to provoke him.
But it's between the two of you. The third person
exactly
did not
the
hear.
point. But what him say the reaction e be free kwakuma no aba no. And the reaction be free akwabu ahono mo aba.
Yes.
And no nkofo be hu.
But that is why Kweku didn't react.
Exactly.
And that is why I'm saying she shouldn't have reacted. Doesn't matter who.
But you see, that is
you will react later. And then individual differences.
Individual differences.
Me over my social media platform na me my idea. Now ba ho na be kan wadwe kire me a me kan wadwe a kire.
No.
Social media platform.
Me platform no tuntuma me kan say.
So by it na bia ya frɛ mo bia phone line na obi afrɛ wanim tan
what kind of
me cut off na mato am akomo
ba wo de fa hia mo achi
ba wo de hia mo achi de hɔ
na wa me come director or dey from Fifi Gabin na so ni mo ekuma wood directors nibi na nsenya Lewin ne film a country called Ghana conference nsem bebre e dia ba ko no na director ye papa ne de nsem bia ba beto abonte was same Sini Chani actress Martha Nkuma.
Yes.
Or say Martha experts in soft porn movies. Nana you can soft porn movies as anything.
Ne kasa nye.
Enye kra.
Chese obi a ye ka porn na obi a ebi o no say ye ne da ewo eba ohun o TV show anase yi a wonim. But the emre na bia ye miamia no kisi no miamia ne mpoku ane ne ma no
say video bi Onua Entertainment ni kokko say about the reason they wanted to cast her in a movie yes a movie hu nsensem ye bae or say nani pa na nka wo mo pede na ye pa ye jaki apia nemom no mata osanka biom say mata ye krife
sorry ICGC Christ Temple
but also matter you krife say na you na bonten a wa say fe ni ade no say o matter you krife pa obi ka so obi e krife obi e motro mojo ase okwa sorry ba so mpa sorry
ko krife yen ko school na krife nya okwa sorry motro mojo de krife obi a o debi obi a oye nyame sumni obi osuro nyame krife so osuro nyame esom nyame yi
ye
sana minim
se ni de ka
minim se kwasi ada bia okwa asore that she does
se ni e ka so be a krife you are krifeing to be
just o de na nya papa
but
o ya want to say de o ye krife
na se no sa na akwa che so e fake Christian
wo judge say wo judge say wo
papa Frank Fifi Gabin on na da so kama
so Lewin manager
timi ninya
no on na ye movies
director on the director this particular you know what you pushing man can say asem ne pa de am say what ye nka de omra bonti no ma chire mu
oh matter de be court
no but this guy is he clean
matter de be court
no is he clean uncle sorry so uncle sorry is he clean
yeah he's very clean
oh but there's nothing out there that is showing that is endorsing what he's saying
yeah
there's one can say
they are
open actress
that the be or
in fact movie open actress unless a movie no who be from outside the movie open actress odi ne huni wanting kan wa bonten on dress basa Martha Nkuma
yeah
Martha yes but you see
I'm sure that is the reason why he's saying say or you krife
no but for you to come out
we don't know what he's talking about you should give us evidence
that's yes with comment like this it's so baseless. Well, sometimes I am most sparking controversy say on social media. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense in the eyes of God. Nyame anim de netne.
Yankwa.
Na patapa yere ne ex-wife Lihamela. Ono so ababonte say na nkofo keka ade na kwakwa
no patapa I don't think has even accepted the fact that girl done
onye ntumu unse mrebi on bisa na say do fear asem na me privacy
malama asama na me really asama
Liha baba be go say be 2 years kwen no ne patapa nkasa
in fact girl kwa say asem was o worry ya okwa abuchi eno ano
yeah
ene gu
ye de na nyen sinti na videos kakra na na dada bia no mo twetwe egu no but na videos bi kra ba sometimes bi aso akwachi guy bi call Nigeria
Nigeria na Ghana Nigeria
ni na ko fo bi sasa so
ba kwa no sepatapa kaka
oh what this spec
aso sepatapa kaka
aso when spec do
aso
I said the lady is allergic to fanboys
patapa yo be frɛ wo me drink
the lady is allergic to fanboys.
Yes,
what
you know?
She's fine
and American
fine girl
enti ni aba ne say Ili Hamila oye ex patapa ne ex wife o de aba beto abonten say omo awarie na 2021 omo awarie na shortly omo awarie na na just ade na nwe ne se na sisi ane de ono ankasa na o seek for divorce na patapa de na dwenye ne sa agro na ono oba ne edie na sisi no se one patapa abusuafo ne ma me ne papa no mo yes na be ya they will conclude it and
now emremu no oni be man shia afia
I think it's 2 years.
A year. What I know is a year. Well, we can find out, clarify. And this one we are talking about 2 years. Enshia nemo and nem.
Nessa shego.
Nessa and nem timon kasa munshia nemo. A good
kasana munya idea.
Debbie, so kasana munshia nemo is different.
Okay.
But ebia munshia nemo kasa.
Where you saw mon kasa.
Because mon kasa ebia o abrochi. Now you know ha. Say ebia the whole year o mind munshia nem. Entu min kasa egu. But mon kasa munshia nem. Munti ma separate we dey everyone here
omuniba
no
and they say we dey fine case as the police dey share DV or so super fine case
enti na ni akwa koduru no say no omo ka say asade no wo ho eni ho no eni ho na Yvonne so
Yvonne onyima
na mpacho say
she looks pregnant
but or say she's having a condition. One payment and her condition. So pregnancy is a condition.
Yes, you can describe it as such. She looks pregnant.
Yes, honestly. Because I also suspected this.
And she said, "Wa
I don't think so. Yeah.
She looks full.
She
really
looks full. Yeah, even her face.
No, Brunina and I said,
Nana mo Yvonne number. Me fama. Enti no
na me bisasa broni na
na me ni ko disco enti ma me nkoso na omo ayi omo ko
just after sa what do
demonstration ba ye chire no demonstration ba ye chire na so nim na Romeo yes wa beke kana
wele
anko o se omo anko
NPP abanti na nkrofo anko
se Ghana for ye nya enya just say pasem surasa
Yvonne ye interview tie se journalist bibisa say asedum so eni ho bie mo Yvonne na tinchachi
nipa ni two question man no susu two question
man say wo journalist
you don't even know your work.
You don't even know your work. Do you know what you're asking me?
Yeah.
Do you know what you're asking me?
Brand no watoru.
Should I say?
Utumi nkasa. Enti ni akwa
kwa nipa anko na ye den.
Na nipa koi but em say the expectation no.
Say na anko kese. Dem hu daytime na dey na nipa ni hospital.
Daytime dey na dey be nipa be 4 5.
Well, why would the demonstration start from 2 o'clock in the afternoon till 10 p.m.? I mean,
say or person dey san na do light or me.
Yes, and they started from 6 to probably 9 or 8, but 10 p.m.
But enra mam light out.
Yeah, my whole life.
No, nobody is disputing. Said doom so.
But honestly, ECG hasn't on car say light no a bit natural have 24/7. Debbie, almost say some of problem doom so no dey ni ho. At the moment, who say area fault.
Okay,
but you see, the irony is that to send you obi me hu say kwofo mienu ejina light ase aso kanea no mu dey twa pictures. Doesn't make sense.
You should have gone somewhere.
Maybe they were being sarcastic.
No, but does it make sense?
Because how can
your demonstration against the same light?
No, I could
light as now the 12 phone.
See,
what is that?
There could be a different maybe or no number.
Okay, give me that.
Their demonstration. Listen, or demonstrating. It could be say he's that particular people. No, those particular people. No, they are coming from different. Now they say what's the lights ni ho? So by light as in a crack into what are you talking about?
No, is it positive or negative?
It is no, not Jane. or feel say it's nice and Yvonne and Yvonne. What I say? Entino ni akwa ba no.
But we have difficulties and challenges in our your lights.
Which is obvious. Obvious. I mean, they cannot dispute that.
Challenges.
And CEO that a year of Town Records, Ricky, Nana Ajima. So many back.
Aye.
Brab fine.
On a rough Nana Sesumutu.
Maybe
it's rough.
On a rough Nana,
it's rough Town Record, rough.
Debut. Records no, rough smooth no badges.
No, so no.
Debbie.
Bullet
no.
Okay. That's on a rough.
Debbie
smooth. Okay.
Nana said
as no why Tony is rough and smooth. Can you feel it? No,
okay. That's also to be.
Bullet.
I think he was a musician.
No, rough rider. Yes.
It's in another side, some nearby say, Omumi, no, Omuntimi Hasim.
Wendy shape.
Oh, yeah, only Wendy or Omuntanana. Watch him was Wendy. I think, or delete to or move a war, no Wendy, no platforms. I think that they are still.
But what Jatum saw he caused it because I was meant to me once and be a buy. No, catch a Wendy saw the uncle.
So why would you I
say when me when me but they see and now catch us over kwa uncle.
It's in a bedroom maybe not so our friend say Omra and when the business say why are you calling
I don't know a person
and you want to make part of me it's an answer no when did you
the boss animal yes I was say what Jatum say no yeah
when yapa na be man so wakoma be ho say they say why am my sister yate praka ade so say na say when the mutia na say na bibi cause of them apana
akrofo kaka say ya ba ko no kra no
mame ko asam etina na am say mame fa
ba ko mu ne
he
we any accident ebony no
apese kwa kango
boneless meat
it's an I'm say you lose so or no so nsem be appeal has no sa brand say
actor Nigerian YUL Peter Idochi neba na o kana se be ba
yo na me the first time say you so say yo
ya
na say so for kakra say share on ne yire ne girlfriend
wives or why you no mienu
ba ko no dey say
or why you no anyi or why you no mienu two wives
to say or you so for so nim sa almost ban social media be ya sorry mo je offering na unwe share
so what is wrong with that? What is wrong with that?
What is wrong with what?
There's nothing.
So what is wrong with that?
Oh yes. Bible say obey
Bible benya. Bible benya. Go in
my drama sorry na ho na munim quotation ye de wale mi e drama sorry e na mu quotation me yina from kasa me se me yina from kasa
okay nana
me yina from kwana me yina from monte e drama ba sa se omo ukan ya na omo kope Samson no omo ye ntem na omo kohwe David no omo ebu adwama wo Bible Yesu ba
Nana mame nkosu na em say mi nua be ma JB de adwama atwama no be kire papa na yo e de aba beto abontin so no
je so ntumi ntra America you can never live in
fine o se won hunu boni bia e wo eye divorce anasa wo twu ho afiri aware mu o se do or die affair no nhye da ehunu ade no te ho na se nhye da nkoyie ma wa o hu ni nti asa chinchina se wo de ahoma so wo kon o se ni oma enkoyie na wusi ho saa
maninku
o se
maninku
o so ono o ye be ma o se so hwe na obotom ye na obetumi 50 times na betumi aware na se mo kom anima na me hu na me se na wo papa kra mpo papa obo si tenten gram
na nim ne yere no dodo
na omodo so
kwai
da bi so omo no so kra obi otumi hwe omo ba ko be
Peter Idochi ono like a traditionalist so he believes in yes
he's a chief But you are saying say oh yeah a pastor.
Me see unim say akwaboa. Wo so omo ye nsia. Akwaboa. Ni nuanom ono ka ho omo ye 6.
Oh okay.
Na ehuro bia ne mane.
Na me ma ne di papa no ne omo antina.
O say so
ha no wejai.
Ni nuanom ye nsia. Ehuro bia ne mame. To awon komo no so. I'm not. Bema nana. Me, I'm not disputing that. Bema bet me ne oba we awo. One ne ntina nhya ne kawa. No agya ho no akwakotina oba foforo. And one is different. But say bema ope ni wawu. E no betina emema obeka ma bem insia nson etim say me se. Oh, it depends. Any Muslims to me ye mane ye. Muslims to me
what say no kan o so bi anku a
Muslims to me ya o mutumi tina asumdwe.
Ne ba ko pekura mo home home.
Ba ko pe tina asumdwe. Ma me how no say. Se woni ho a we kira asem enu na ye ha because ukwa Ashanti region
enkwala no krampo da won never
be mama me example ukwa Ashanti region companies se dan hodo a esisi ho a asai atete apansam hotels a asai eni ade no efisa ade
yes
to aso
na so obi ani ho no ho na mesiesie me na me fam sika me obi anya
da bi nkwala no ma me na etwe manso ma omoma Womo twema nso ntu be say wo wabre na nya japade no ma say
enti you say no otu ni nuanu mema mo am sabe adwaman ye mo de mo pe emema ema no be say mo ka be 20 ebo so no osinya mo obi abeka ba mu ntie wo hwe ska no oboto na be ya ye
ware bebre
enhwe ni ankrofo be
say be ma wanyina chenko ade a
be nyina che ne
but mas be oh dia hini be ma oni ska sa pe ma
na dodo ananso omo ni ska mo yi so sa nya adwuma
wow say wo de wo ska na wo adwama ya ba me say me oba na
why should money be a condition to
me oba we asem
why should money be a condition to be mo pe ma
me sanya mi ti obe fami aba be
what to say
share
what to say
me ti say na uboto mu nya be
what to say uye nipa
me ye nipa
class be na wo stage be na wo
niska na wo susu a uboto mu nya
no that you why should money be a condition see ade ba be pew uniska wo that you
that's
what are you talking about
don't spoil the conversation it's not about a pet Eniska.
It's
about Bema or yet Munyabutama coming there. It's about Bema or yet Jaman. And soon that's my point.
Why should that be a condition?
A pet you different. And yet you all pay bear or bow oniska. Mubet me about bravo. Dear or no pen mass or ye yeni.
Now, you here to Yakonodiana.
I cannot papa. Now you're here now. Because here ni ye ka say ye kwadi e wa Kempiski usika so what are we talking about here ni akonode wo akonode but you can't akonode no sanka because you don't have money and your baby ana here ni betimi akwase ne pe that's the truth and your baby ana here ni betimi ase ne pe You can continue the conversation at home. Come on, you deal between to us and I'll go Facebook. I'll bet me actually watching. Them I was open ma despite kwekute what they say Isle Gonfrey and I him for Ghana was scanning a dear and near dear open ma when she ba when she can say
Onua 95.1 FM 95.1 FM